Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to use pre-reading strategies to predict a story by looking at pictures in the text. Interact with the text and use reading strategies, that is, while reading, to locate factual information. Respond to the text, that is, post-reading, to express likes or dislikes about the story. Locate texts or lessons by looking at titles and pictures. Recognize and pronounce some common consonant digraphs as initial as well as final position. Demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to introduce themselves. Recognize different categories of some colors, shapes, sizes, directions, left, right. Provide the missing letter in simple 1 or 2 syllable words. Recognize and use a full stop at the end of a statement. Write appropriate naming and action words to identify an object or an action in a picture. And construct simple sentences of 3 or 4 words using correct capitalization, punctuation, and spelling.